Let's look briefly at ChatGPT's voice interface on the computer. We're working with ChatGPT Plus, a paid account, but it's also available with fewer minutes per month or per day on the free plan. Let's press this button here to enter voice mode and interact with the IA. Hello, how are you?
Hello, I'm very good, thank you for asking. And how about you?
All right, I'm recording our interaction, and it seems we can easily interrupt ourselves if needed.
That's right, we can talk smoothly and naturally. Let me know if you need anything, I'm here.
Yes, I want you to tell me a short story about a princess for a 5-year-old girl.
Of course. Once upon a time, there was a princess named Sophia who lived in a castle surrounded by magical gardens. Sophia had a naughty little dog named Bruno, and she loved exploring the enchanted forest near the castle with him. One day, Sophia and Bruno found a sparkling bridge that led to a secret garden. In the center of the garden, there was a flower that shone with all the colors of the rainbow. The flower whispered a secret to them. Whoever takes care of the garden with love will always have joy in their heart. Since then, Sophia and Bruno have been the caretakers of this magical garden, and they've had many happy adventures together. What do you think about the story?
I think it is all right. Can you give me a brief summary of what caused the problem with Spain's electricity grid during the blackout on April 28, 2025?
On April 28, 2025, Spain experienced a power outage that affected over 50 million people. Although power was restored within a few hours, authorities are still investigating the causes of the incident. The Minister for Ecological Transition, Sarah Augustin, will appear before Congress on May 14 to explain what happened. If you need more details, please don't hesitate to ask.
Tell me, what do the authorities think is the cause?
The power blackout in Spain on April 28, 2025, is believed to have been caused by a massive shutdown of solar plants in the southwest of the country, which cause a loss of generation and destabilize the electricity grid. There was also the possibility of a fire in the south of France affecting a high-voltage line, although French authorities have ruled that out. In addition, a possible cyber attack was investigated, but no evidence was found. Minister Sarah Augustin will appear on May 14 to give more explanations.
Well, with this button, we can disable the microphone, which always needs to be authorized by the browser. It might not work if access isn't granted. This can also be done from the mobile app, where it's very useful. With that, I'll wrap up the video where I showed you how to use ChatGPT's voice interface.